Hello everyone, now in this video I will let you know how to make your own LED lamps. Now it's not that ordinary LED lamps, but these are connected LED lamps, or we can say the Internet of Things LED lamps, through which you can express your feelings on a whole new level. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now if you want to know what is this project about, watch out my previous video on Intro to Connected Message Lamps to know everything about this project. Now for making this project, you'll require 2 acrylic sheets with the message engraved on it, 2 PCBs, 2 ESP8266 12E development board, 2 330 ohm resistors, 200 kilo ohm resistors and 2 pieces of LED strips. I have used this 3D printed blocks and a foam sheet to make a base something like this. So first of all, let's have a look towards the circuit diagram. Now as shown in the diagram, the whole circuit is running on 12 volt DC power supply. Now on the analog pin A0, I have connected 100 kilo ohm resistor, which is then connected to a 3v3 pin. And on the same analog pin 0, I have also attached one wire which is acting as a touch sensor. Then on the digital pin 2, I have attached one 330 ohm resistor which is then connected to the base of BC547 transistor. Now this transistor here is acting as a current amplifier for our LED strip. I already designed and ordered this PCB online. For designing your own PCB, go to easyeda.com. Here you can make PCB for any of your project. For selecting any component, go to Parts section and type the name of the required component. Now place this component onto your PCB. After placing the component, make the connections. Now save this PCB file, and after saving that, make a border outline of this to save it in a Gerber file format. After that, download this Gerber file and now go to the glcpcb.com. Now this is a great website for ordering your PCBs online. Here the price is reasonable and the quality is also very good. So make an account here and go to quote price. Here upload the Gerber file which we have recently downloaded. Here you can also choose the color of masking. After that, click on save to cart option. So likewise, you can easily design and order PCBs for your project. I can definitely provide you the Gerber file of this project if you want. Just let me know in the comment below. If you are lucky, then you will be getting these PCBs for free, as I will be announcing one giveaway in the end of this video. But still, if you don't have these PCBs, then you need to solder all this component on the pref board. Okay, so after this, let's move on to the coding part. Explaining this code line by line will become complicated for you all to understand it. So I will try to make you understand this code through the process happening step by step. Basically, I have just used the Adafruit MQTT example code, and really there are a lot more additional lines in this code. So what's happening in this code is, as soon as we turn on ESP, it will first try to connect to your router to get internet access. After getting internet access, it will try to connect to the Adafruit MQTT server. There are 3 fields, or we can say 3 variables declared on the server side, which are lamp1 master, lamp2 master and brightness value. As it gets turns on, it will publish the brightness value 0 to the server, and lights on both the lamps will be in off condition. Now for example, anyone touches the first lamp, then it will be acting as a master, and this is also published onto the server side. So now lamp 1 master will be in 1 and lamp 2 master will be in 0. Now what happens, the longer you place your finger, the brightness on the lamp 1 side goes on increasing, but this value is not at all published to the server. After you release the finger, then the data will be published to the server, and the brightness of the lamp 2 will be adjusted according to the data received from the server. Now both the lamps will wait for the person to touch lamp 2. Until then, both the lamps will be in on position only. As soon as anyone touches the lamp 2, the brightness value goes to 0 and it is published to the server side, and lamp 1 master field also goes back to 0. So the whole process can be done from the lamp 2 side also. Logic for this particular process is written inside this code. I hope you understand this process. If not, try to watch out this portion again. I will be providing you the code and you need to change some variables according to your Adafruit account. Just like you need to enter your SSID name and password of the router or hotspot, you need to enter the Adafruit MQTT account details like the name and AIO key. After that, you need to change the feed name here. I suggest you to go for the same feed name as I have used so that you need not to change it in this code. If you are not familiar with Adafruit MQTT and don't know how to create the feed, then there are several videos of mine in which I have explained all this. I will leave the link of those videos in the description box below. Do watch that out. So I have both the modules ready and I have already uploaded the code on these modules. So let's just test it out. Okay, so this is perfectly working. Now let's move on to the making of the base. For making the base, I have used this black 3D printed blocks along with this foam sheet. Now as these blocks are black in color, I decided to make this sheet black too. And hence I used this spray color to make it black. Cool. Now it's perfectly matches. After that, I peel off the paper behind this LED strip and stick it on to the base. And then I have attached this block here with the help of glue gun. So now it looks something like this. Now I place this acrylic sheet to get the reference for our second block. After getting the reference, I glued that block into this fixed position. Now with both these blocks, we can easily rest our acrylic sheet. Likewise, I have glued the PCB behind the blocks. Now I will stick this wire in the front and add some glue to make it rest in the fixed position. Now we will put acrylic sheet on it and try to test this out. So we'll plug the adapter and after some time we'll place a finger. Okay, so as you can see, the light turned on and its brightness is increasing slowly. So this is perfectly working. Similarly, I have made another lamp and now let's see both of them in action. Amazing! So this was my project on connected message lamps. I hope you loved this project. Do give a big thumbs up if you find this project interesting. Let's just break my last record of 80 likes in a week. This time I put a target of 100 likes in a week. I hope I will be able to achieve this at least in this video. Now it's time to announce the giveaway. I will be giving away 4 pair of these PCBs to 4 of my viewers. To get enrolled into this giveaway, the process is, first you need to like my Facebook page, then follow me on Twitter and Instagram. After doing all this, you just need to comment below this video as task completed. Remember, you must be the subscriber of the channel to win this giveaway. I will be announcing the results on my social media handles, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to visit glcpcb.com for ordering your PCBs online. The rate is around $2 for 10 PCBs, so it's very reasonable, and more than that,
the first order will be coming to your home with no shipping charges. Yes, the first delivery is free from glcpcb.com.
Okay, so this was all about my video. Subscribe my channel if you haven't to get notified for my upcoming project tutorials. Now, rather than explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.